Ba-da-ba-ba. Alright. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is type in ICS demo 1, and it should prompt 2 messages because I did send 2 from the same source. Okay, and click on this, and what shows up in the form is ICS demo for the name and ICS for the email, and it also provides you with the user's IP address and the date and time of which they submitted that information. You can always check to see who's subscribing to you, when they're subscribing, and what their information is. And what you do from here is manual. Okay, once you have the form set up on your page, people can subscribe whenever, from wherever, and everything after which is manual. Okay. You can make as many forms as you'd like, but you only have up to 100 submissions on the free version. Okay. Now, again, I recommend you using GetResponse for this reason, for this kind of duty. For one, you get unlimited submissions, and you can use email marketing as well, plus a bunch of other great features. So. But if you can't afford that and you wish to do things the free way, keep in mind that it will take a lot of work. So once you have this kind of information, what you can do to make it easier on yourself is go on over to msn.com, get a Hotmail account, and once you have that Hotmail account, make sure you download Windows Live Messenger and set it up so that you have instant notification when you receive an email, and use that email to receive the submissions from JotForm. Okay, and this method works well when you're around your computer. Otherwise, you'll have to do it when you get to your computer. You'd have to reply to each subscription when you get to your computer. So once you have, MSN working, once you have MSN set up and JotForm set up on your web page, link into your MSN account, you can get instant notification when someone subscribes. You can, then click on that link that pops up and, send them a reply almost instantly. So that's really all to it, but keep in mind there's a lot more work involved if you do not have GetResponse, okay, or any other autoresponder. It's a lot more work when you try to do things for free. So okay, so you've seen how it works. Again, you can make as many forms as you'd like. And the cool thing about it is you can always check to see how your forms are doing, which forms are getting the most submissions, and get a more detailed report on it. So instead of checking your mail all the time, you can come here, click on the form you'd like to see, and hit reports. And this will give you a bunch of options to choose from. You can choose whether you want to view the date, IP address, name, email, or whatever else kind of information you require, and you just hit next, and you can output it in on the web, Excel, whatever, and save your information if you'd like. But let's just go ahead and hit next, and what will pop up is basically all the users that have submitted their information through your forms provided by JotForm. Their emails, their name, their IP address, the date and time they submitted that, and you can use this as your actual list builder, because these will not go away on your unless you delete them. Okay. However, again, this is not an autoresponder. You cannot respond to these people automatically. This is just used to build your list. Everything else you'd have to do yourself. You'd have to copy all the names and emails and save those in your contacts, or save them for future dates when you do get an autoresponder. But for now, this can be used as a basic list building tool. Okay, or even if you don't want to build a list, you just want to use a form to be able to receive payments from people. You just come back in here. Let me show you that for a second, since I'm on the subject. You can come back in here, and to do this, you'd have to go to Payment Tools. And once you're in here, you can choose whether you want to use PayPal, Google Checkout, WordPay, ClickBank, or any of the other options. So let's say we choose PayPal. Let's drag this in here. Okay. What pops up is a dialog asking you for your information, your account, email, the currency of the payment that you'll be requiring, and do you want to require their address. We're just going to hit no. For this, I'm going to type this in here. And I'm blocking this because I do not want to share this information. Okay, and on the next page, you'll see select product type. You can choose whether it's a one-time payment, a subscription payment, or a donation. Okay, we'll just go with one-time payment and select next. And you select whether it's a single product or any of the other options, whichever applies to your product or whatever it is that you're selling. And the name and price, and this is where it's basically the same information that PayPal asks you for, but you're doing everything with one form. So let's do this demo, and let's price this at $200. Actually, let's make that 900. All right. Hit next. Product's been updated successfully. Excuse me. And hit finish. Now, once you have this done, let's drag this up here, and we're gonna hit source again. Now, before I do that, I'm gonna come back here and show you that nothing is here. But this is the benefit of using the iForm. You won't have to copy and paste the code again and then upload your web page to your server. Okay, once you use the iForm, it automatically updates it. Alright, now all I did was hit source, and now I'm gonna go back here to my form and hit refresh, and it should show up. So now when I type in my information, let's do ICS, and we're gonna do ICS demo 1, and I'm gonna hit subscribe. Now when I hit it, instead of popping up thank you, it's gonna take me to the page where I'd have to make the payment. Okay, and this is the cool thing about it. No need to have various different things link into the same place, and it just looks so much more professional to not have a PayPal button up there. Not sure why, but people tend to be distant from PayPal buttons. Okay, so now we have our product for $900. Go ahead and pay for that, and you're done. Okay. So that's that. Just wanted to show you guys this quick tutorial on how to build your list and do various other things with JotForm without using an autoresponder. And this is a completely free service. Very easy to sign up. So if you're interested at all in using it, feel free to go to jotform.com and sign up there for free. Although, again, I do recommend you using an autoresponder for building a list and doing your email marketing and so on and so forth. Okay. This is Andre with IC Success, and I thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you've enjoyed the video or you got something from it. Be sure to subscribe so you can get instant updates when I post new ones. And also be sure to rate the video and dig it. I will see you later with another quality video from icsuccess.ws. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.